Good morning and welcome to the Clear Skin Kitchen. This is a little impromptu recipe that I just had a few things in the fridge and I thought I'd whip up some breakfast. I want to talk to you about eggs this morning. We are going to make like a breakfast bowl, so kind of a breakfast burrito without the tortilla. Did you guys see what I just did in getting rid of the egg yolk? Basically, you just pop it from side to side in your shells and you get all of the egg white, and then you can just toss out the yolk. And the reason that I'm tossing out the yolk is because egg yolks are high in iodines, and iodines are really bad for acne. So while you can have a little bit, you just want to watch how many iodines you're eating. So I did 3 egg whites, and I'm going to do 1 full egg just because I like a little bit of the yolk to give it kind of that yellow great egg texture. One other thing, some people add milk to their scrambled eggs. I actually was taught many years ago that water makes scrambled eggs fluffier, and so I have always added a little bit of water instead of milk, but you could also add almond milk. I personally wouldn't add coconut milk because I think it might be too sweet, but an almond milk or an oat milk if you wanted to add milk. I'm just going to add some water, whisk these up, and I'm going to make scrambled eggs, and then I'll be back to show you the finished product. Do you know how to make really fluffy eggs? You literally add a little bit of water. When you blend up your eggs, you just add water, not milk. And you definitely don't add milk if you have acne, but you add a little water, and oh my God, Sammy was just saying, look how darn fluffy my eggs are. And I want to tell you one more trick about eggs. Egg yolks contain a lot of iodine, and iodine is bad for acne. So this is 3 egg whites and 1 full egg. So I used 4 eggs, 3 of them I just used the whites, 1 full egg, for a little bit of the iodine and just for a little bit of yellowness, because egg whites kind of gross me out a little bit. So I kind of like to add 1 full egg, add water, mix it up, scramble it, and we're gonna try this cheddar style slices. These are cashew cheese from Trader Joe's today. We're gonna see how they go, and we're making little breakfast bowls on our client page on Facebook. If you are a client of ours, join the Facebook group. It's for private clients only. And there you go. Okay, so I just scrambled up these eggs and they look so fluffy. Sammy was shocked. She's like, those are some fluffy eggs. Yeah, fluffy with water. Now I'm going to add this cheddar style slices from Trader Joe's. And these are made with cashew cream, I guess, or a cashew base. And we're just gonna see how well they melt. I think in a breakfast bowl, these might be pretty delicious, so we'll be right back. Okay, I gotta be honest. We just tried these Trader Joe's cheddar style slices, and they did not melt on our eggs. Kind of disgusting. We're giving these a thumbs down. Thumbs down. Honestly, can't even eat this crap and throw it in the trash. It's that bad. Yeah. But we found these the other day, these Violife, and these are called cheddar shreds. They're made with coconut oil, and they melt really well, and this is what we would recommend for like melting on top of eggs. Now, Sammy and I have one client, and we know who she is, and she is a label reader, and we love it because she literally, she'll call us out. She'll be like, hey, you posted something and it has canola oil in it. I love that she does that because she totally keeps us on our toes. This does have a tiny bit of B12 in these cheddar shreds. I think it's okay because it's at the bottom of the list, and it's not like you're taking a B12 supplement. So occasionally, you know, if you want to, everybody's adding B12 to vegan products. I think a little bit is okay. So we're gonna make our bowls, and basically, so we've got the eggs. We did egg whites, remember, and just a little bit of egg yolk because of the iodides. And then we added the really gross cheese. We tried to pull it out. It just was that bad. And then I just cooked up some potatoes. And who doesn't love potatoes? Here's the tip on potatoes. No canola oil. No canola oil. It's bad for acne. So I cooked these in olive oil, but you could use, well, I wouldn't cook a potato for breakfast in a coconut oil. It just doesn't sound right. Doesn't sound like a good mix to me. But olive oil, totally safe for acne. And these bowls are looking really cute so far, breakfast bowls. But here's the topper. I steamed some fresh broccoli just to add in some greens, and broccoli is so darn good for acne. It is a cruciferous vegetable, which helps with hormonal acne. You cannot eat enough broccoli. So we're just gonna add in, and I like it steamed so it's still a little crunchy. Don't overcook your broccoli, in my opinion. Oh my gosh, look at our super cute little breakfast bowls. And then I have some salsa from a little shop down the street. It's delicious. This is all I have. So Sammy and I are gonna split this between our two bowls. And you know what? Cheers to clear.